Hey, what's up guys, it's Theo from Fino Concept. So today I'm going to show you how to edit, resize and save your images as passport picture without losing so much quality. Anyway, let's just get started. Welcome to Fino Concept. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Alright, so for this tutorial I'll be using Photoshop CC 2019 as always, and I'm just going to be using this image. So let's go ahead and open it up in Adobe Photoshop. It's a raw file, so those of you out there who don't have that, sorry about that. And these are the settings I went with: exposure of plus 0.5. The highlights I turned it down to -10. The shadows, because of this area, I wanted to bring it up just by a little bit. I think I will even increase it by 50. And whites, of course, should also come up so that the image look a little bit brighter. I didn't do anything to the darks because if you crank it up, the image looks weird. If you send it down, it looks too dark. So that's what I stuck with. The texture also, I brought it down because of the face so that it doesn't or we don't see so much pimples in there, and the clarity about 5. So let's go ahead and open up this image. Alright, so now that we have all of these, I'm not going to be doing any form of retouching on the face. Usually we just keep it raw like that. Alright, so the background for this image is supposed to be white. So what I'm going to do is I'll just use the quick selection tool and create a selection around my subject like so. Now once I have that, go to select and click on inverse, or Ctrl+Shift+I to get the inverse. So I'm going to just increase the exposure of the background to make it look white. So I'll just go to the adjustment panel and click on curves, and I'll crank it up by about this much. If I make it too white, it's also going to affect the image, and we are not going to get any shadow in the background also, and the hair is also going to look weird. So somewhere around here is okay. Now that I have all of these, let's go ahead and save it up. I don't have the preset, so I'm going to be using the crop tool, so that's C on the keyboard, and I'll select 2:3. That is the aspect ratio I'm going with. I'm actually going with 2.5:3 because usually it's 250x300 pixel. So I'll just position this at the center like so, and just click on OK. So to save this up without losing that much quality, go to File, go to Export, and go to Save for Web, or you can use Ctrl+Shift+Alt and press S. So this is the presets I'm going with. JPEG, the quality I've set it to 80. You can make it very high and set it to 100. Now let me fit this to screen so that we can still see the image, and I'm going to reduce the width to 250. So we have 250x300, and I'll just click on save, and that's going to export it for us. So if I go ahead and check out my images, you can see this is what we have. If you zoom in, then you can see that the image quality is down, but once you have it like this, it's looking pretty solid. So basically that is it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch more of our videos, hit that subscribe button, and as always, don't forget to share with your family and friends. This is Theo from Fino Concept, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.